Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, server status, and a clean network. First, restart your modem and router. Give devices 2 to 3 minutes to reinitialize. Next, log out of Roblox and back in so authentication refreshes. This often clears session conflicts. Now, flush DNS from an elevated command prompt with ipconfig/flushdins and then restart the Roblox client. This forces fresh name resolution. Once done, you'll have removed common local account and DNS causes that block server connections. Now you troubleshoot the network path. Switch to Ethernet to eliminate Wi-Fi dropouts because stable packets matter for server joins. Make sure UDP port range 49,152 to 65,535 and TCP 80 and 443 are not blocked on your router or firewall. Roblox uses those for matches. Port blockage causes unavailable server errors. Temporarily disable VPNs or proxies and pause aggressive antivirus scanning. These can intercept or drop connections. Once these finish by eliminating client corruption, uninstall Roblox, delete leftover program folders, and reinstall the latest client. Corrupted files often cause persistent failures. If problems persist, try another device or a mobile hotspot. This verifies whether the issue is your network or the Roblox account/server. Finally, if it still shows unavailable server, gather logs, exact timestamps, and a short reproduction of steps. Then contact Roblox support. Make sure to include those details so they can trace the backend session and resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.